Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create your own custom animations in Unreal Engine 5.6. First of all, you need to create a sequence or open existing one. Right click in Content Browser, Level Sequence, let's name it Sequence Tutorial. Press Enter or double click. The sequencer window appears. You need to add some skeletal mesh to the sequencer. You can do this by selecting existing one from the level, click Add Actor Track, and you will see it appears here at the top of the list. Another way is to open Content Browser, select Skeletal Mesh, click Add Selection from Content Browser. Selected skeletal mesh appears at the world origin. If animation mode didn't open automatically, you need to open it manually. In this section, you can adjust your animation's length and add some keys. You can adjust duration of your animation by dragging this line left or right. Or you can just select some frame and press Set Playback End to the current position. If current control rig supports inverse cinematics, you can switch it on. You can go to Anim Outliner, select Global Control, and switch it on. Now we need to create some keys for our animation. Let's go to Start, then click plus button of the control rig, and it will create all the keys for all the controls in our control rig. If you switch on this mode, the keys will be created automatically when you change some control. Let's create some punch animation. First of all, we need to set up a start pose. Move or scale controls, and the keys will be automatically created. If you need to delete all the keys from the exact frame, you can close the list, select the key and click delete button. Now we have some start pose. Let's create another one. We need to move some controls so we get the punch pose. Let's select the control of right hand and move it towards. Then we need to rotate the body control. And slightly move it towards. Now we have some kind of animation. Let's duplicate the first pose. Click, Ctrl C, then go to the end and press Ctrl V. Now we have looping animation. Here you can switch showtime method between seconds and frames. If you want to make your animation play faster or slower, you need to adjust the location of the keys. Don't forget to set the end of the animation. When the animation editing is done, right-click on skeletal mesh and click Take Animation Sequence. Select Path to create your custom animation. let's create new folder and name it custom animations. Choose the name of your animation. Click OK. Then click Export to Animation Sequence. Now you can open Content Browser and you will see new animation you have just created. Double click to open it. Now you can close Sequencer and use your animation in any way you prefer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, write comments, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.